How long will you keep lying to yourself? You're not broken. You're just stubborn. You refuse to face the truth about your life. And that's why nothing changes. You scroll mindlessly. You binge-watch comfort. You tell yourself later. Meanwhile, life passes you by. Here's reality. You're your own jailer. The worst lies you tell aren't to others. They're in your head. Stop telling yourself, "I'll start tomorrow." That tomorrow never comes. You think you're too busy. Newsflash, you're just too lazy to cut the crap and get real. You're scared of failing, so you waste time planning. Planning isn't action, it's procrastination in disguise. You want a quick fix? There isn't one. But I'll give you a 60-second mindset shift that rips the bandage off your excuses. Right now, close your eyes. Picture the one thing you're dying to do but never start. Got it? Good. In the next 60 seconds, stop saying, "I can't." Replace it with, "I will." Feel that? It's your fear screaming. Whisper back, "I don't care." Because real growth starts when you outgrow your fear. Here's the kicker. Most of you won't last 60 seconds. You'll resist. You'll think, "This is stupid." Congratulations, you've just proven my point. Open your eyes, write down one action that terrifies you. Now commit to doing it today. No excuses. Everything you crave is on the other side of this lie you tell yourself. So stop the bullshit. Fix your mindset in 60 seconds or watch your life stay exactly the same. No more lies, no more excuses. Act now.